In this video, I will show you how you can clone apps on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now, there are two methods to clone apps on your Samsung phone. For the first method, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. From here, just scroll down a bit and tap on Dual Messenger. Now, under Available Apps, you will find all the apps which support the Dual Messenger feature. Now, essentially, all the chatting apps are supported over here. Now, just enable the toggle for the apps for which you want to create a clone of. For an example, I'll enable the toggle for WhatsApp, then select Install, and tap on Confirm. Now, just enable this toggle, then tap on Next. Select OK. Now, after you do that, you will create a clone of the selected app, just like that. Now, if you go to your home screen and if you open the app drawer, and over here you will find the clones of the selected app. And as you can see, this is the original app and this is the clone of the original app. And the same is with WhatsApp. Now, if your preferred app is not available in this list, so in that case, just follow the next method. For that, just go back to the main settings page, and from here, just tap on Security and Privacy. On this page, just scroll down a bit and tap on More Security Settings. On this page, you will find the option for Secure Folder. Just tap on Secure Folder, then tap on More and select Continue. And just tap on More, then tap on Continue. Now from here, just wait for a couple of seconds for your smartphone to create the secure folder. And from here, just create a password for the secure folder. I'll select the PIN. Just create a PIN which must consist of at least 4 digits. After you do that, then just tap on Continue and select Use Anyway. And just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Then select OK. And just tap on Allow. And after that, just tap on Next. Then tap on More and select Done. And after you do that, you will create the secure folder on your Samsung phone. Now, to clone apps using the secure folder, just tap on the plus icon over here. Now from this app list, just select the app for which you want to create a clone of. For an example, I'll select these apps. Now after you do that, then just tap on Add, and you will add the selected apps to your secure folder. Now just tap and hold on the app icon which we have added and select Add to Home Screen. Select Add, and by doing that, you will create a shortcut of the selected apps in the home screen, just like that. Now as you can see, this is the original app. And this is the clone of the original app which we have created using the secure folder. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.